Ganyan naman talaga pag gwapo eh. Burara.
Tomorrow? 9 o'clock? Okay. All right. Then we'll have fun.
Naunsa ka. Para kang nakakita ng engkanto.
Dili ang kanto. Siya ang lalaking hango sa akin sa putikan.
All right. I'll see you then. Bye. Look, my needs are pretty basic. Just keep the place clean, do the laundry, and I'll take care of the rest. Oh, and
Eh, sir,
if you hang on, you need to just go buy what you need, okay? Because I eat out most of the time anyway, so you don't have to cook. You don't have to worry about that. All right? Hello? Yeah, Dad? No, I haven't been jailed for anything yet. You know, working my song, playing tennis, you know, staying out of trouble. Look, just tell me when we'll be able